Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or delete the repost on your TikTok. So let's see, first of all, you can repost a video and then we are going to see how we can remove that repost. So let's say I have this video which I want to repost here. I'm going to click on the share button here. And once I click on the share button, I have this option for the repost. So I'm going to click or press on the repost option here. And once I click on the repost, you can see you reposted. So this video is reposted by me. Now in order to find the reposted video on your profile, click on your profile icon. So I'm going to click on the profile icon, and here you have the option for the reposted videos. So I'm going to click on the repost icon here, and here I can see these two videos I have reposted. So to remove the repost, I'm going to just press on one of the item, and here I can see you reposted here. And in order to remove the repost, I just need to press on the share button again, and now I have the option to remove the repost. So I can once again press on the remove repost, and this video will be removed from my repost. So once again, when I go to the repost section, that video is removed. Once again, when I press on the other video and when I press on the share, I can press on remove repost here, and that video is also removed. So now in my repost section, I don't have any reposted video. If you don't see this reposted section in your profile, then also you can remove the repost by clicking on this hamburger menu icon, and then click on settings and privacy, and then press on activity center here, and then press on watch history. So here you will be able to see the watch history, and when you click on the video which you have reposted, just press on the video and then once again click on the share button and remove the pre-post from there. So this is how you can remove the reposted video from your TikTok. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.